I'm Lynn Kelly.
And I'm John Mayhew.
Welcome to RealTalk with the Temple team.
With the warm spring temperatures and summer right around the corner,
and COVID restrictions making it better to gather outside,
outdoor living spaces are more popular than ever.
A perfect example is our listing on Channel Point Lane. It has a screen terrace, a screen porch with a built-in grill and bar, a lakeside barbecue area on the patio, and so much more.
Here are some tips and tricks for some do-it-yourself projects that can make your own backyard an attractive place to relax and entertain guests.
Pop-up canopies and patio gazebos, like the one you see behind us, are an item you can install yourself to provide shade. Though some designs are pricier, you can obtain one for as little as a few $100s.
Create a magical atmosphere. Run string of lights in the yard, along a fence line, or along the edge of your deck or patio to provide light after dark and visual interest. A fire pit is another fun way to add warmth and light.
And a picnic table for outdoor dining. You can even upcycle a thrift table by painting it and adding a clear protective coating so it will weather better.
Decorate your outdoor living space to make it a happy and inviting place to gather. Use lots of plants to make it colorful, like these do-it-yourself container gardens.
You can turn just about any unused object into a planter, like these rain boots, or even an old stump in the yard.
Hanging plants and mini herb gardens are always great ways to decorate an outdoor space.
Don't have a green thumb? Try succulents. They don't require watering as often.
Even kids can get involved by painting their own flower pots or helping with planting.
We hope you enjoyed our tips and feel inspired to upgrade your outdoor living space. We'll put some links in the comments section to some great articles and how-tos.
Feel free to share your own ideas in the comments as well.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.
From our homes to yours.
See ya!